Hey everyone, welcome to Weiler's channel. Today I'll show you how to create a new Mobile Legends account. First go to Settings. Find the game there. Open it. General. Find your old iPhone, open Mobile Legends, tap Unload App, then delete it. Next, go to the App Store and re-download it. When you open it, you'll be prompted to create a new account. That's it, this was Weiler. See you later.